In this video module, I want to talk about the new HP wireless display module for Slice for Meeting Rooms G2. First thing I want to show is installed in the Slice. It's a module just like any other Slice module. You can see that there's a button to pair, a pairing button, but there's no input or output of video since it's wireless, so that's an easy way to identify it. So that is on the Slice module. This is the receiver box that comes with the wireless display module. This you connect to the HDMI of the display, and also it needs power, so a USB port from the display. To install the wires, which we've done already, you move this notch to open up, and on the back part you'll see an HDMI and USB, micro USB cable connections. The cables come with the kit. You'll plug those into that, snap this back. And then what you need to do is mount it underneath the display, and we give you double-sided tape to do that since the receiving part is right here. These are pre-paired in the factory. There's a pairing button on each, this module and the Slice module if needed, and then it needs to mount either on the side or on the back, point to the Slice. If you need to, also what comes in the kit is double-sided tape. This you can hook to the back of this and then hook it to the side or underneath the display if needed for mounting. When you have a good connection, you'll see a solid white light on the receiver box and on the Slice module box. Make sure your connection is HDMI enable, and then you have a wireless connection to the display for HDMI, which will save cable routing for that. When it's complete, you'll see the screen displayed. You don't need to plug into the HDMI port.